Are you tired of mediocre coffee at home? Yearning for the rich, velvety taste of a professionally crafted cappuccino or a refreshing cold latte? Look no further than the Bizewo electric milk frother. Transform your home into a coffee haven where every sip is a delightful experience. Here's why you need it. Embrace the joy of versatile coffee creations, experience user-friendly innovation, and elevate your coffee routine with the Bizewo electric milk frother, your key to home-brewed perfection. Indulge in coffee magic all year round. Bizewo's 4-in-1 electric milk frother is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts. Whether you crave the comforting warmth of a hot cappuccino or the cool refreshment of a cold latte, this versatile frother has you covered. The LED touchscreen panel ensures a seamless operation, providing hot dense foam, heating milk, hot airy foam, and cold milk froth at the touch of a button. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why the Bizewo electric milk frother is a must-have for every coffee enthusiast. Efficiency meets innovation. Featuring a stainless steel whisk, the Bizewo milk frother whips up frothy goodness in just 1 to 2 minutes. The milk steamer function heats milk to perfection, ideal for creating indulgent hot chocolate lattes. To optimize results, use milk with a fat content of over 3%, ensuring a creamy and luxurious froth every time. Certified quality for peace of mind. Worried about safety and cleanliness? Rest easy knowing that the Bizewo electric milk frother is ETL approved, and the 304 food-grade body material is resistant to corrosion and easy to clean. Whether you're a coffee novice or a DIY enthusiast, this frother is a reliable companion for your home coffee adventures. All-in-one design for ultimate convenience. The Bizewo electric milk frother boasts an all-in-one design that's not only easy to disassemble and operate but also equipped with a matching lid to prevent spills during frothing. The result: ultra-quiet operation for a peaceful coffee-making experience. Share the joy with others. With a large capacity of 300 milliliters for steaming milk and 140 milliliters for frothing, this frother allows you to create multiple cups of delightful coffee drinks at once. The large diameter aperture makes pouring and cleaning a breeze, ensuring you can share the joy of your coffee creations with friends and family. Innovative magnetic whisks and energy efficiency. The Bizewo electric milk frother goes above and beyond with magnetic whisks that froth milk even more quickly, and with 2 magnetic scrapers, you'll never lose them again. The 304 food-grade stainless steel ensures the safety of your food. Concerned about energy usage? The frother features a power-off protection function, automatically shutting off after a set time of non-use, promoting safety and energy conservation. 360 degrees base for your convenience. The humanized design continues with a 360 degrees rotating base, allowing you to place the frother at your leisure. The separate all-in-one design enhances convenience for picking up and storing your frother. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why the Bizewo electric milk frother is a must-have for every coffee enthusiast. Elevate your coffee experience with this innovative and user-friendly frother. #Bizewo, #milk-for-their-magic, #coffeejoy, #dbarista, #homebrewing perfection. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.